More news coming in. All-party meeting on Operation Sindoor starts shortly is what we're learning at this point in time. It is at 11 o'clock in just about less than 10 minutes from now. Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, is to brief the opposition on Operation Sindoor. All-party meetings to start shortly and it's going to be chaired by the Defence Minister, Rajnath Singh. Aishwarya is getting in more details on that story. At 11 is when the all-party meeting starts. It's protocol. This sort of an action, Aishwarya, has been taken by the Government of India. It's a big operation against terror and hence this briefing with all parties, isn't it?
Well, definitely, Sneha. We will see the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh laying out every detail of Operation Sindoor, what exactly has transpired, and also the big question that he will be answering. Because we have seen certain opposition parties raising questions about what Pakistan has been claiming, that they have taken down Rafale, which were flying in from India. So that's something that the Defence Minister will have to give a clarification on. Home Minister Amit Shah will also be present in the meeting. We will see the opposition raising certain questions. All the answers will be given like the previous time. If you remember, after the attack had taken place, the government had convened an all-party meeting. In that, it was the government that had accepted the fact that, yes, what has happened is terrible. They also, in a very muted tone, had accepted to the fact that this was intelligence failure. So with regards to that, the government being very, very open, what exactly has transpired, that is something that we will see the government coming out with. The opposition obviously is armed with a lot of questions. We are seeing the top leaders from the top parties attending the meeting. If we speak about the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, they are the ones who will be asking questions. If we speak about the DMK, TR Balu will be there from the TMC. Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, one of the senior most parliamentarians in our country, he will be present. So questions will be asked of the government and the government will give clear, precise answers to the questions that the opposition will have.
All right. Sneha. All-party meeting that begins at 11 o'clock. Certainly questions will be asked by the opposition of the government about what next, because already there is speculation that there could be more strikes on the part of India, and these are questions that the opposition will be asking of the government.